Hey, Mustang Stampede. Ordered a couple things for the C8 Corvette. The first thing was that I ordered was the radiator protection screen, which this is just a screen you can buy on Amazon. It's much cheaper than the normal. My locking mechanism is not working on this, but I just wanted to show you. I ordered one that was on Amazon that was supposed to be 40 inches and it's 39 and a quarter. It's supposed to be 40 by 13 and it is 13. If you look at the templates online for cutting out your own, I can cut 2 radiator protection screens out of this. I went with the smaller holes, so it will take a very small rock to be able to go through that, and it should stop most of the bugs, and I'll just wipe it off and clean it. Not a big deal for me because I have a lift in the garage. I see a lot of talk about airflow, this, overheating, that. I really think a lot of those folks are just in those forums thumping their chest for whatever piece they bought. It's all fine and dandy. I think I paid $26 to be able to cut 2 sections out of this using the template that I found online, which is, I think it was you need 16 and a quarter, and then you also need it to be at least 10 inches. So, but I'll be able to cut 2 out of this, even though it wasn't. It was short as described on Amazon. The other item I ordered on Amazon was the lifting pucks. I haven't even opened this. They just showed up today. So I'm going to take a look at it. These are the, however you pronounce that, Dewhel jack pad adapter, jack points 4 new. I ordered them in red, as my car is red. So let's take a look. We got these items here, which these are what go up in the slot of your Corvette under the frame, that you'll turn 90 degrees and then cinch them down with these nuts, or bolts actually, excuse me. So it did come with an Allen wrench, but I'll probably use an Allen socket on my impact. And it came with 4 brand new aluminum jack pads. The fit and finish for these look extremely nice. So I don't know. I do think the old adage, you get what you pay for, applies to most things. But when I see similar jacking pad kits selling for $100-something or more, I think maybe even the Paragon might be 99 bucks. These don't say Paragon on them, but who the hell cares, right? Shit, for 40 bucks. The fit and finish looks really nice. Let's open this up and see. Let's see how these the threads are nice. You know, sometimes you buy shit and the threads aren't very nice on them. Bear with me as I hold my camera and get a couple of these screws on. I mean, really, you don't ever even see these, right? But because I have a lift, it's kind of important that I have these, and I was thinking about just making the hockey puck ones that you see, and I'm actually threading these in. You just can't see it, you might be able to hear it. But anyway, so what I'm saying is, because I have a lift, I figured why not just go ahead and get the permanent style, semi-permanent I should say. That way I don't have to like remember where I put my hockey puck lift pads or whatever you want to call them, but those screwed in super easy. I'll use a little bit of blue Loctite on this, And I might actually be able to get these installed today at some point. I know several people have messaged me asking which dealer I use to get my C8, and I hope that this weekend I make the video with the details of my purchase of my C8 Corvette. So if you like what you see here so far in my other Corvette videos, go ahead and like, subscribe. You can leave me a comment or whatever. Tell me what you think about these, I guess you'd say half price compared to all the competitors. Aluminum jack pads for your C8 Corvette. So, and then I will hopefully get the purchase process out of the way this weekend with a video. My purchase process took about 3 weeks, and I will just say I paid just a smidge over MSRP. I was not going to buy it $10,000 over MSRP. I was not going to buy it $15,000 over MSRP. I was not going to buy it $40,000 over MSRP. So my deal was a great deal. The deal fit me, and I was shocked when they said yes. I'm going to tell you that right now. But again, just tune in for that video, and hopefully I get it up this weekend. As always, thanks for watching.